Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this Wax Bear wax strips. So a lot of people use these to remove hair wherever, like on the face, legs, or anywhere else. Waxing can be pretty effective as far as handling those unwanted hairs and get rid of them. So make sure like everything is nice and clean before you do this. So this comes with 64 wax strips, 32 double-sided, and 4 calming wipes. Look in here and just see what the contents are. All right. So it has 4 of these. These are the little after wax wipes. And nice. It has mineral oil, mint oil, olive oil, almond oil, fragrance. So probably a nice smelling thing there, like soothing. And then 2 of the packs here. So these come in pretty big strips here. Go ahead and just open one up here. I might actually do a little bit of hair removal just to test it out to make sure it works pretty good. But here we go. Oh, these have a nice little, oh, whoa. Why are these pink? So when these ones are pink, if I just pull one out, then it's like not pink. I guess multiples together. Okay. So we have quite a few in there, but those are pretty big strips there, as you guys can see. I'm gonna have to read up on actually how to do this. Never waxed before. And I think you can just cut these also to the size that you want, perhaps. Oh, okay. It looks like you can just peel this off. It's got a backing here. Probably just peel that, put it on for a while, and then rip it off. So I'll demonstrate. Not the whole thing. A little bit of this for you guys, see how it works, but should be pretty nice there. So let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. So this seems fairly simple. I'm just gonna use a little piece here. Cut that just like that. And it says warm it up for about 20 or 30 seconds in your, like you can use a hair dryer or use it up in your hands. So my hands are pretty warm most of the time. Just gonna warm this up real quick. And where do I want to just like remove an eyebrow or something? I'm just kidding, I'm not going to do that. Probably just a little bit of arm here just to demonstrate how it works. It might be kind of painful, so just warm this up a little bit. But this comes with quite a few. Pretty good deal there, 64 of those patches, it's quite a bit. And we'll see how well they work here. So, all right, I think I talked enough. That's about 30 seconds or so. So here we go. I'm just going to see which side. Can I do both sides? So I'm peeling this off and it looks like there's wax on both sides. So I could probably use both actually. Okay, so put it on. And I guess, well, I don't want to waste it, so I'll just put it on the other side. I'm not sure how long it's supposed to be on there. I'm a little tentative here. Oh, wow. It's pretty sticky. Okay, just do it right. Ready? 1, 2. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It works. So, I mean, kind of ripped my arm hair off there, but yeah, these are double-sided, so I actually didn't even need this big of a patch. I mean, if you're going to do your eyebrows or something, probably just like one little strip there, and just so this could probably, just as one pack, you could probably do your eyebrows and everything for quite a while. But that worked pretty good there. Pretty much just ripped my arm hair out. One of those patches there, right there, and there, and then I could use the little thing to wipe it off there. But highly effective. I mean, super easy to use. Just pretty much warm it up, stick it on there, and rip it off. It wasn't the most pleasant experience, but it didn't hurt like super bad. I'm pretty sure that everyone that's kind of used to waxing knows it's not going to be like a, you know, a walk in the park. But anyways, pretty good. And did a pretty good job. So, all right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.